Forno ACQUA. Multi-sinks. Beauty meets functionality. Two chef faucets with aeration, spray, and power wash. And at the touch of a button, experience WaterWALL magic. Multi-level sliding sink. Always where you need it. Combine it with your colander and the double-sided chopping board. It's all magic. Built for teamwork. Prep, rinse, and wash together without missing a beat. Built-in spinning glass washing station. With removable drying grills. So convenient. Your chopping board. With a smart spot out of the way, heavy-duty stainless steel roll-up grids, designed to adapt to your workflow, and even provide you a flat bottom. 5mm rounded corners for easy cleaning, handcrafted and refined, designed to drain beautifully. Stacks away effortlessly. More than a workstation, it becomes the centerpiece of your kitchen, a place to gather, to create, to celebrate. Forno ACQUA. Freedom to perform, beauty to inspire, designed to excel.